The first time I had a drink made from hibiscus flowers was when I visited a restaurant called Cancun in California. On the drink menu, they had Flor de Jamaica. So of course, being Jamaican, I wanted to try that drink.
Oh, finally, I get the...
I'll be showing you how to make hibiscus tea and some of the benefits.
So this is the hibiscus flower. I recall when I was younger, I used to pick this flower and put it behind my ears. But now I realize that you can do far more than look cute with this flower. You can use it to make a drink. Yes, you heard me right. You can use it to make a drink. So let's get right into it.
Hibiscus tea is a herbal tea that's made by steeping parts of the hibiscus plant in boiling water. It has a tart flavor similar to that of cranberries and it can be enjoyed both hot and cold. There are several hundred species of hibiscus varying by location and climate they grow in. Research has uncovered a range of health benefits linked to drinking hibiscus tea, showing that it may lower blood pressure, fight bacteria, and even aid in weight loss. Let's get right now into some of the benefits from drinking hibiscus tea. Number 1, it's packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants are molecules that help fight compounds called free radicals, which cause damage to your cells. Hibiscus tea is rich in powerful antioxidants and may therefore help prevent damage and disease caused by buildup of free radicals. Number 2, may help lower blood pressure. One of the most impressive and well-known benefits of hibiscus tea is that it lowers blood pressure. Over time, high blood pressure can place extra strain on the heart and cause it to weaken. High blood pressure is also associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Number 3, may help lower blood fat levels. In addition to lowering blood pressure, some studies have found that hibiscus tea may help lower blood fat levels, which are another risk factor for heart disease. Number 4, may boost liver health. From producing proteins to secreting bile to breaking down fat, your liver is essential to your overall health. Interestingly, studies have shown that hibiscus may promote liver health and help keep it working efficiently. Number 5, it could help promote weight loss. Several studies suggest that hibiscus tea may be associated with weight loss and protect against obesity. Number 6, contains compounds that may help prevent cancer. Hibiscus is high in polyphenols, which are compounds that have been shown to possess powerful anti-cancer properties. Number 7, could help fight bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms that can cause a variety of infections, ranging from bronchitis to pneumonia to urinary tract infections. In addition to having antioxidant and anti-cancer properties, some test tube studies have found that hibiscus could help fight bacterial infections. Number 8, flavorful and easy to make. Aside from its multitude of possible health benefits, hibiscus tea is delicious and easy to prepare at home. Alright guys, so this is the final stage of it. So just add a few ice cubes or you could put it in the refrigerator to cool. So in summary, hibiscus tea can be made by steeping hibiscus flowers in boiling water for 5 minutes. It can be consumed hot or cold and has a tart taste that is often sweetened with honey or flavored with lime. However, for my hibiscus drink, no sweetener was added, just lemon and mint leaves.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we have the hibiscus tea right here. So no lemon was added, so it still maintains its burgundy color, or what color it say? It looks purple burgundy, thereabout, yes. And we have it with the mint leaves and the lemon added. So the addition of the lemon gave it this bright, vibrant red color. Beautiful, right? Yes. So you can have it as a tea, or you can have it as a refreshing drink. And of course, it's summer, so have yourself some hibiscus drink. Guys, so I am with my niece Adrienne, and we haven't tried the hibiscus drink as yet, so we're both going to actually taste it for the very first time. So are you ready for this, Adrienne? Yes, I am ready. All right, cheers. Wow, it's refreshing, right? You can taste the mint in it. It's not too strong. There's a mild, nice flavor to it.
It reminds me of a pink lemonade.
Yes, yes. And also it is as a faint taste of cranberry, like cranberry juice. Yeah. Really refreshing. So can you imagine on a hot summer day and you decide to drink some of this juice? How refreshing it would be. Right, Adrienne?
Yes, it's very refreshing.
Very refreshing. It's so good. I really never knew that these flowers that I pass on a daily basis would actually be able to make such refreshing drink. Did you know that this flower could? Oh, sorry.
I did not
So
know.
you're learning something, right?
I learned it. She just told me, and I was like, really interesting.
Yeah. So there you have it, guys. Hibiscus drink. You can make it as a tea, or you can make it as a cold drink. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to
Like,
subscribe,
comment, and share.
yes. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome. And remember all the benefits that hibiscus flower can bring to your life. Have a happy and healthy life. Cheers.